Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Live video features. You want to be on live on your Facebook? It is very easy. Let's go. So go to your Facebook and you see this this plus menu button. Click on the plus menu button, and if you want to post your story or a reel, I want to go live, so just click on the live. Then you set your camera. You see, this is it. Do you want to rotate your camera? You want to use the mic? You can use I'm not using. If you want to mute your mic, that means they're not going to hear what you're saying. So I will click on my mic now. You can see. Then you want to rotate the camera. That is, you want the camera to face you, but I'm not going to rotate the camera because I don't want you to see my face. So I'm not going to rotate the camera. You want to use a sticker? Click on the sticker, and this is it. This is it. I'll just click on something. Today is Saturday. Click on Saturday, and you can see. Yes, click on it. Add sticker. I love you sticker. Let's see. Now click on save. Okay. Yes, show now. So the sticker is moving. You can see your sticker is moving. You can see it is very easy. You can add and click anything. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.